safe bunkering procedures. Generally, VLCC that services Arabian or Persian Gulf to the Far East will take bunker in the Arabian or Persian Gulf side. Fujairah for Khor Fakkan anchorage. The chief engineer must conduct a meeting before bunkering. Vessel should be prepared properly when scheduled for taking bunker. Prepare firefighting equipment and oil spill prevention materials. Connection of the bunker manifold should be checked strictly. Bunkering will progress according to the chief engineer's bunkering plan. If the quantity on the bunker receipt does not match the quantity sounded by the vessel, negotiate with the supply barge for bunker shortfall while continuing to avoid any delays in the vessel's sailing time. If the vessel is registered in DNV Fuel Oil Analysis Program under NYK's account, please follow the following instructions. One, please obtain 2 fuel oil samples that are representative sealed samples from the barge's bunker line or the vessel's manifold during the bunkering operation. 2. Please deliver 1 sample of the MFO to the agent at the bunkering port or the next port and ask the agent to send the sample to the DNV laboratory. 3. Please keep another sample on board for a minimum of 1 year. 4. Please do not deliver the MDO-MGO sample to our agent. NYK will inform the vessel of the result of the fuel oil analysis and also any comments for fuel oil additive supply. Vessel must follow the instructions from NYK. Sulfur content in fuel oil, less than 4.5%. Confirm that the contents of the BDN conform to the regulation. If the sulfur content of the bunkered fuel is over 4.5%, a vessel representative is requested to immediately inform the owner's operator, tank crew, and the ship manager of this fact, and then ask for their instructions. The same procedure as above is requested if any fuel oil with sulfur content over 1.5% is supplied prior to entering SECAs. If a sample is to be taken by means of the IMO guidelines, when the supplier's representative offers nothing, the signature of the supplier's representative should be secured on the sample label. If the supplier's representative rejects or ignores the request, the vessel representative should explain the requirements of the annex and that any individual who violates the regulation can be punished. At the same time, the vessel representative should prepare a protest letter and secure the signature of the supplier's representative on it. If the supplier's representative refuses to sign the protest letter, this fact should also be noted in the letter. The letter should then be signed by the ship's representative. Finally, all facts should be reported to the owner's operator, tank crew, and the ship's managers. Regulation 18, Fuel Oil Quality. Confirmation of contents on bunker delivery note. Confirm that the bunker delivery note contains at least the information specified in Appendix 5 to the Annex. If it's not done, a vessel representative must explain the contents of the Annex and request that the supplier's representative provides the necessary information. If the supplier's representative fails to act in accordance with the Annex, a protest letter needs to be prepared, stating such fact, and the supplier's representative will need to sign this letter. If the representative refuses to sign the letter, this fact should be stated in the letter. Finally, the vessel representative should provide this information to the owner's operator, tank crew, and the ship's managers.